how to evaluate a sub-2 deal, because not all of them are going to make sense for a keep and seller finance. In other words, let's say that someone calls you today, Matt, with a property that's worth 200,000 and they only owe 120, but for whatever reason they want to walk away. But their payment, maybe for some reason it was a subprime loan, it's got a 10% interest rate on it. The market rent for that property is 1,100 and the payment's 14. Does that make sense for you to keep as a seller finance deal? No. But there is enough equity there to flip it, to sell it as a what's the term everyone use now, a subtail, or whatever it may be. But you could take that house, do a little bit to it or nothing to it, sell it as is, put it on the MLS, pay realtor fees, everything else, and still come out with a check. So in that instance, it wouldn't make sense. Now, we pay full price for houses. It's common to pay full price. Could we do that same scenario, pay full price with one that didn't make sense for cash flow? We couldn't. Why? Because what lets us buy houses at full price, sell with seller financing, and make a profit is time. Okay. Mm-hmm. We can mark them up 8%, 10%, collect a down payment. Our underlying note says at 3%, we wrap that at 7%, 8%, or 9%. Our principal pay down is greater than our buyers. Plus, we're further into the amortization. So that creates a spread for us. We have cash flow and we get a back end on the deal. So time is actually the difference for us, the interest spread and then time. So that's how we still make money doing that stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.